Okay, let's take a look at the latest version of the Internet Explorer 9 platform preview and some new sample demos that we put on ietestdrive.com website for you to try out. This first demo is a dice rolling game that's built on top of SVG together with HTML5 to enable a new kind of application. I can roll the dice on the screen, I can add more dice to the cup, and you see nice smooth animation running SVG through the hardware on top of Windows. Let's take a look at this in another browser. Here you see the same demo running in Firefox 3.6 and the same markup running and generating the same visualization. I can add a couple dice to the cup here and roll the dice, and you see the same kind of animation, but it's running a little bit slower, showing the difference between SVG running on top of the hardware as opposed to running on software. Let's look at a different demo. Again, going back to IE9, I'm going to choose an electronic beatbox demo. And here we built a demo on top of SVG, Canvas, and HTML5 audio. I'll turn on the sound, and you can hear the sound playing through the sample. I can switch to a different sample, and I can modify the samples, choosing different instruments in the sequence. In the upper right, we show the tempo of the sample playing, and I can increase or decrease the beats per minute. Let's take a look at this in another browser. Here I'm opening the same demo in Chrome 5. And you see the exact same rendering through the same markup, but you'll notice that the tempo isn't quite keeping up with the rate that I've targeted here. And this is really showing the difference between a fully hardware accelerated browser where audio runs through the hardware. Let's take a look at a different demo. Again, going back to IE9, I'm going to choose this demo.
The year was 1998.
Here we have a game that really shows a native-like experience built on top of HTML5 Canvas and audio. I can play the game. It's like a Dance Dance Revolution kind of game. And as the hamster dances, I keep up with it using the arrows and move through the levels and have a really fun experience. So these are just a few of the samples you can try out for yourself on ietestdrive.com. We encourage you to go and get the latest platform preview and try it for yourself. Thanks.